cough, engine off.
Anti-idling campaign. Leaving your car running when you are stopped or waiting, a huge source of air pollution. And contribute poor air quality damages your health.
Did you know over 30,000 deaths a year are linked to air pollution? And children are suffering long life health problems because of the poor air quality.
Turning off your engine when parked up and waiting will improve air quality. It's important to induce idling outside schools, outside nurseries and preschools, and children access potable whenever you need to wait in a public member.
It's less polluting to turn your engine off and restart it than to leave your engine running. Modern batteries don't need the engine on constantly to keep them charged. Too much idling can damage your engine. Switching off your car engine is a small, simple action that helps improve air quality and health for everyone. We need the help of everyone in Southend-on-Sea to make the air that we breathe cleaner. Help us spread the message about the benefits to everyone's health that come with switching off car engines when they are stationary.
You can help by sharing the cough, cough, engine off message at work, school, or friends or neighbours.